Here is an example Icebreaker blog assignment in which I'm going to introduce you to me, Teresa Rich. Something interesting about me: I like microbiology and I like photography. In this picture here, I've combined the two. Also, fungi don't get up and move, so I have time to focus. So in this course, you'll be seeing a lot of my fungus pictures. Recently, I took a trip where we went whale watching and I got some good whale and dolphin pictures. That was a whole lot of fun. So obviously I like macro biological organisms, including the raptors around CWI. I've been chasing the local pair of Harris hawks for years, and occasionally I get a good picture of them. Next, why I am teaching Biology 221, specifically online. I love the subject. I love microbiology. It's something that I've done working in the lab for going on for almost 20 years. And, as you can see, I loved enough to even take pictures of successful plates from the lab. So you'll be seeing some of these pictures too. I also believe microbiology is applicable in everyone's life, whether it's trying to prevent food spoilage, disease transmission, you name it, it can be applicable in anybody's life. What I am specifically hoping to learn from each semester that I teach this course, I am continually looking for better ways to present the information, to increase you, the students' understanding of the information. Microbiology is a tough subject, and if I can find a better way of presenting the material so it's a little easier for you, I'm always on the lookout for that. I'm also continually looking for interesting and helpful tools to help in the learning process. I've introduced in previous semesters Connect and Learn Smart from McGraw-Hill, and I think that should be very helpful, but I'll be checking mid-semester to see how it's going for you in this semester. What scares me about an online Biology 221 course? That can fall into 3 categories. Lack of face-to-face contact. I think an online course can be very impersonal and make both me, the instructor, and you, the student, feel very isolated. The mechanics of group work. Group work is hard in person, but we want to teach that here at CWI, because when you go off to whatever profession you're going to be doing, you're going to need to learn how to work on your own and to work as a group. Okay? But working online as a group, that may be a little interesting. Which leads me to my third thing: technology issues. I am not a technology guru. I do pretty good, but if problems occur, then I'm not the person to come talk to. So, whenever I have something that scares me, I form a game plan. I have a plan to confront what scares me and to work around it and to succeed. So let's take the first issue: the impersonal nature of online courses. That's why I have this Icebreaker activity. This example not only shows you what I expect from the Icebreaker blog activity, but it also gets you introduced to me, and it also gets you introduced to your fellow students so that you don't feel like it's just you and your computer screen. I also am inviting you to my physical office during office hours. You can drop by. I love to have students come by. I'm happy to talk about difficult topics and answer any questions you may have. Also, during my office hours, feel free to call if it's not practical to come to my physical office. Okay, now for the group work issue. I have set up discussion boards, blogs like this activity, and wikis, all of which are designed to help you work together in your study groups. Now, these work a whole lot better than just email chains and teleconferencing. But if you do have problems with it, let me know. We're willing to work around different issues. And then technical issues. The first and most important thing is I encourage you to do your assignments early. That way, if there are technical issues, you have time to deal with it. Okay? And the technical gurus at CWI are the folks at the help desk. and they are the ones to help you, and they have a very quick turnaround time. Now, this topic is intended to help you, the student, figure out who you want to work with in your study group. I could randomly put you into study groups, but there's a high chance of putting somebody who can't work Friday, Saturday, and Sunday with somebody who can't work Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So I want you guys to let each other know when would be a good time to work together to collaborate on activities. But I also want to let you know when it's a good time to get a hold of me. My online office hours vary from semester to semester, so you can look on the faculty information button to find out when my online office hours are, when I'm devoted to you guys. Also feel free to get a hold of me during my other office hours. That's also on my various syllabi. I respond to emails Monday through Friday within 24 hours. On the weekend, I'm a little slower. I try to have a weekend. It doesn't always happen. And which is why I may surprise you by responding on weekends and holidays. Alright, so this is an example of how to do a PowerPoint with a voiceover for the Icebreaker blog activity. I hope it's been helpful.